I'm Jeff from the NYCCorvette channel, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to quickly and easily bring the new car shine and luster back to the interior of your vehicle right now. Products and tools that we'll be using in today's videos are as follows. Handling the cleaning duties, we have two products, the first of which is Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Then we have Ammo Lather Interior Cleaner. Then we have Ammo Interior Conditioner. Then we have Chemical Guy's Factory Finish Trim Coating, which is good for moldings, trims, consoles, spraying on the vents, and it makes vinyl or plastic look like new. Now, I'll be using this on some of the harder non-porous surfaces of the car, but I will not be using it on the gas pedal or the floor mats of the car because it is very slippery and could cause injury. Now, also we have a set of knee pads. We have some microfiber towels, some applicator sponges for the Ammo Interior Mousse, a set of nitrile gloves, and two brushes that we'll be using to apply some of the cleaners and conditioners as we are cleaning up the vehicle. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to first clean the car interior out, and then we're going to condition it. We're going to start with the Ammo Lather Interior Cleaner, and we're going to spray it on this brush, work it in, and wipe it with the microfiber towel, turning the microfiber towel every so often so as to not build up the product in dirt. And you don't try to get too big of an area because this may dry up on you, and pretty much everything you've done, you're undoing. So this is where you see what the benefits of having the seats out is. It allows you to get in here and get to places that you wouldn't be able to get with the seats in. So having the seats out is a great thing. Also, it allowed me to clean the carpet and clean all underneath the seat. And that was a big benefit of having the seats out. So again, we're going to put the Ammo Lather Interior Cleanser on this armrest because it is a soft surface, a leather surface, and you want to clean it before you rejuvenate it and lift up all the dirt. Then you want to take your another microfiber towel. You notice I have a whole bunch of microfiber towels. That's an older one. I'll grab a brand new one, and I will wipe. As you can see, the dirt coming up. What you also want to do is open the center console and get along these edges that can be a little grimy too. Then I'm going to wipe it up. Also, a lot of dirt and grime gets up in here. Okay, so we're going to start by cleaning the dashboard. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to spray this because I don't want to ruin the job that we did on the window. So I'm going to take a clean microfiber cloth, and I'm going to spray some total interior cleaner and protectant on it. Then we're going to clean the dashboard. This is basically the process, and this makes it easy to clean everything by spraying it on the microfiber towel. I'm going to throw the old one over there, pick up a new one, and finish going down the fronts of the radio controls and all the audio controls. Smells good too. That's one thing. This protectant, and as you can see, the dirt is coming off. So the product is doing its job, and I can give this a light spray. Try not to mess up the job I did on the leather part of the console. And then we're going to wipe the airbag cover off. Then I'll give the steering wheel a wipe. And I also, we're going to get this with some mousse probably. We're not going to hit this with the factory fresh trim coat because it is leather and we don't want it really slippery in our hands or sticky. And don't forget to go down into this kick panel area. And I'm also spraying the dead pedal. And I'm going to use VRP on the dead pedal as it's a place where my feet go. And I do not want to get that slippery. Now we have the interior protected. Well, we don't have it protected. We have it clean now. So now we're going to go after the protection. We're going to use the Ammo Mousse Interior Conditioner. This is great on vinyls and leather. What we're going to do is we're going to apply it, work it in, let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes, and then we'll buff this with a microfiber cloth. So we're going to take it and put it on take the Ammo Mousse Interior Conditioner. We're going to put it on the applicator, work it in. Now we're going to work it in to the material. As you can see, the luster and the sheen is coming back to the leather on the vinyl and leather on the door cards. We're going to let this sit for 1 or 2 minutes. I'm not going to use so much on this because they're small parts. Put that in the cup holder for now. Rub that in. You can see it coming back to life here. Also, put it on the handle. And on the brake handle boot. And lest we not forget, let's put some on the armrest. Yes. We're going to open it up. And we're going to, so now I'm just going to take a microfiber cloth and lightly just buff this a little bit. Not go too hard. I don't want to remove it, but take a little bit of the shine off, the glossiness off. I'll give you closer look at the interior. See how nice it is. Now I'm going to go inside and wipe. When you are going after treating the plastics, you cannot use this factory finished trim coating on this door sill, on any of the mats, or the gas and brake pedal. You don't want to do that because it'll make them very slippery and you'll be prone to injury. So I would recommend using the Chemical Guys VRP, vinyl, rubber, and plastic, as it is a water-based protectant. Is we're going to take the trim coating and we're going to spray it on the surface to be treated. And then we're going to wipe it down with the microfiber cloth to give it a nice sheen. And we're going to do this on all the interior plastic hard panels. We conditioned the cup holder. See how nice and shiny and glossy it is. Well, that does it for today's video. As you can see, cleaning your car interior is not a big deal as long as you have the right tools and the right products. Let us know in the comments what you use to clean your interior of your car. With that being said, if you like this video, please smash a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do leave a comment because it helps the channel to grow. This is Jeff, and I will see you running the streets.